In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblur in Adobe Express. If you have a photo in your project that looks a little soft or blurry, Adobe Express gives you a quick way to improve it without leaving your design. This is especially useful when you want to make an image look cleaner and more defined, while keeping your editing process simple. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're in the design where the blurry image is already placed, so you can preview the change directly on your canvas as you work. Having the image inside the project first makes it easier to judge whether the adjustment is actually improving the overall look. Next, click on the blurry image to select it. This is important because Adobe Express only shows image-specific editing controls when the image itself is active. Once the photo is selected, you'll be able to access the tools that affect just that image, rather than the whole project. Now look over to the left panel and find the Adjust option, then click it. This area contains the controls for fine-tuning the appearance of your image, including brightness, contrast, and the detail settings that help with blur. In the Adjustments panel, scroll down until you reach the Detail section. Inside this section, you'll see Sharpen. This is the main control you'll use to make the image appear clearer. Slowly drag the Sharpen slider to the right and watch the image as you do it. Increasing sharpness can bring out edges and fine details, which often makes a blurry photo look more defined. A helpful tip here is to make small adjustments instead of dragging the slider too far all at once. Too much sharpening can make an image look harsh or grainy, so it's best to increase it gradually until it looks clear but still natural. While you're in the same detail section, you can also check the blur setting. If blur has been increased, reduce it by dragging that slider down. Lowering blur can help restore clarity and work together with sharpening to improve the image. Once the image looks better, you're done. That's all it takes to unblur an image in Adobe Express. With just a few quick adjustments in the detail section, you can make your photo appear sharper and more polished right inside your project.